Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Libya. First of all, we need to understand whether PayPal is providing its services in Libya or not. And in order to find that out, you will have to come on this page. I will put the link of it down in the description. Now, once you are on this page, you need to simply try to find Libya over here. And as you can see that once I type in Libya here, it is showing me that there is no Libya country available here, meaning that you cannot actually create your PayPal account from Libya. So in this situation, you have two different options. In the first one, you can just use a VPN and you can set it to your neighboring country. And from your neighboring country, you can try creating your account on PayPal. This way, you will have to access PayPal with the help of VPNs only. And the second method and the method that I am going to recommend you is using PayPal's alternatives like Wise, which is also widely available, and Remitly. So you can use these two because these also work as PayPal. But as of right now, Libya is not available. PayPal is not available in Libya, so you can just use these two methods. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.